What's going on, everybody? This is Phil from Millennial Money Gainz, and we are back with another video. If you guys are new to the channel, on this channel we talk everything stocks, investing, personal finance, and just elevating your lifestyle. If that's something that interests you, please make sure you consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you guys can smash this like button for the YouTube algorithm, I would really appreciate it. In today's video, we are going to be going over my whole Robinhood portfolio. I will be taking you through all of my different stocks that I'm currently holding, all my options that I'm currently holding, and just what I think with the overall market and how my portfolio is doing. But before we do that, let's just take a trip back in time and just go over one of these stocks that I have put you guys onto just from a couple of months ago, and now every big YouTuber's talking about. So we will get right into that. Let's go back in time. This one is specifically for a company called Tattooed Chef.
Is none other than Tattooed Chef. I open a small
Tattooed Chef Corporation, ticker symbol TTCF on this one.
Target all have in common. They all carry products by the Tattooed Chef. And today, I'm going to talk to you about...
Alright guys, so if you guys do not know who any of those financial YouTubers are, they were JJ Buckner, Meet Kevin, and Jeremy from Financial Education. I am a huge fan of all three of them, and I pretty much watch all of their videos. If you don't know them, go check them out. I'm sure you guys know them, but go check them out. But with that being said, let's hop right into the Robinhood portfolio. I will pull it up on the screen here. And if you guys are hyped to see an updated portfolio, make sure you smash that like button. Show your support. It really helps out the channel. So let's hop right into the portfolio. So, as you guys can see, I am currently sitting just under $16,000 in the portfolio. I made a couple of YOLO sketchy trades, very speculative trades, and I kind of paid the price for that. But I will show you that coming here. Last time I think I was at around $23,000, my last Robinhood portfolio update. I was at about $23,000. I took some money out, tried to liquidate a few of my investments, and now we are back at it. So, on Friday, I was down about $350, which is about 2%. After hours, I was up $76, which is about a half of a percentage. Past week, I'm up $493, which is about 3%. Past month, I am up $2,500, which is about almost 19%. Past 3 months was very rough for me. I'm down almost $8,000, which is close to 33%. Past year, I am down $1,700, which is almost 10%, and all time I am down $1,400, which is about 8.3%. Now remember guys, this was a bunch of speculative trades here. I know that I was just kind of guessing on these trades and not actually putting the work in, and I paid the price, but I'm showing you guys here. That way you know exactly that sometimes speculative trades win, but a lot of the times that they will lose. So, I have $6,000 sitting here in buying power, just on the sideline, seeing what I can do with it. Let's go hop right into some of my options calls. So we have 5 contracts of AMD call options, $100 strike price. Right now it's sitting at $1.60, and my average cost is $1.96, so I'm down almost 20% on there, so not too good there. Next is LLNW. We have 10 contracts with a strike price of $4.50. Right now, my average cost is 35 cents, and the current price is at 30 cents. I am down a total of $50, which is about 14%. Next, we have PLTR. So we have a $30 call. I have 5 contracts as well. Average cost is $1.97. Current price is $1.51. I am down $230, which is about 23%. Next, we have a TTCF call, Tattooed Chef. So we bought this call a while ago. Our total return right now is almost minus $300. It's a $30 call, or $25 call rather. My average cost is $4.20, and the current price is $1.28, so pretty rough on that one. Next, we have two Neo calls, $50 strike price. Average cost is $4.90. The price right now is $5.30. So we are up about 8% on the position, which is about $80. Next, we have a APD call, $300 call. My average cost is $3.80, and the current price is $3.85. We're up about 1% on that. Next, we have a SPXS call. We are down about $10, which is about 5%. Average cost is 37 cents, and the current price is 35 cents. And that's about wraps it up for my option plays. Now let's get into some of my stocks. So my first one here is I have Tattooed Chef. So we are currently holding 100 shares of Tattooed Chef. Market value is about $2,300. Average cost is $19.30. It is sitting at $22.81 right now. So I am up almost 20% on the position, which is about $350. My next one is Shift Technologies. So I'm still waiting for this one to pop. I bought 100 shares, probably a little too early. My total return right now is minus $140, which is about 14%. Next, we have PSTH. I have 50 shares. My average cost is $25.83. We are currently sitting at $25.27, so down a little bit there as well, about 2%. Then we have Microvision. So I was huge on Microvision, if you guys remember. I recently bought back in. I have 200 shares. Average cost is $5.20. I plan to hold this until the buyout occurs, which hopefully will be happening soon. If you guys don't know about Microvision, make sure you check out my other video. I'll link it up top. You could just hit the screen after you watch this video. Down about $25 there, which is like 2%. Next, I have GHIV. This is a SPAC play. Currently holding 50 shares. Average cost is $10.74. It's currently sitting at $10.82. So I'm up $4.25 there, which is not even 1%. So that is all of my current holdings right now. As you guys saw, I have a bunch of cash sitting on the sidelines, and I do plan to use that. I am going to, hopefully by the end of the month, I will be able to get my portfolio back to even all time, which is my goal personally. So I have about $1,400 to make up. So hopefully I can get that done. But if you guys enjoyed the Robinhood portfolio update here, if you guys can, please make sure you smash that like button. You guys can tell me what you want to see. Any specific videos, just let me know. I've been day trading a little bit. Maybe I can show you guys a couple of live day trades. Let me know if you guys would like that. But make sure you subscribe to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Big things are coming on this channel. Coming next year. As you can see, we are kind of transforming it a little bit. But next year will be a big year for this channel. And I want you guys to tune in for the journey. I appreciate you all for being here. And I will see you in the next video. Peace!